Natalie from Russia.
This is Gunther from Austria. Come with us. But beside of the boatyard work, we wanted to give you a bit of a island spirit. And Carriacou, it's music in every corner.
They start playing very early in the afternoon because in the evening there is curfew. You have to understand the virus. It doesn't jump on you in daytime, but after dark it comes out and jumps on you. Boatyard work is always a lot of different projects at the same time running parallel. A lot of organizing necessary besides the work you do yourself on the boat. And especially here in Carriacou, it's waiting. Waiting for spare parts, they don't arrive in time. Waiting for people to come to work on your boat, they don't come. So here everything is working on GMT, which has the meaning Grenada Maybe Time.
So we're gonna fare the parts of the hull that needs to be fared so that it will have a nice finish before we paint. And we'll be using 3 coats of all grip, all craft, so we'll be able to polish whenever needed.
Yeah, you were lucky because the piece that attaches the main shroud to the mast is a stainless steel piece and it's broken in 2 parts. So it was ready to fall, so you nearly got the mast falling down on that side.
This window didn't seal perfectly. After the years it went off. It's a window which is glued in without using screws. I don't like to use screws on a wooden boat because through the screws it could be that some water comes in and then around the screws it's rotting. But the glue has to be very perfect to hold these stresses. The boat is moving, the boat is bending a bit, different materials, different temperatures. So it's a lot of stress on this. This little window was a bit leaking. When we had big seas from the back, there was a little bit of water coming in, so we had to put it out and reseal it and put it in again. Yeah, we try to find out why there is oil in the cooling water.
Yeah, because what happens, the water sucks through that. And the oil pressure comes in. So if there's a very tiny hole, you might get little oil coming through, especially when the oil is hot.
When it's hot, when it expands.
Yeah. I have to give it high air pressure and then put it in the water, see if it bubbles.
Yeah.
So I'll test this tomorrow, please God. And then I'll bring you the result.
oil cooler is okay.
The oil cooler is okay.
You thought, we all thought it was the oil cooler.
Yeah, but there's no leak. I tested and there's no leak, so which is gonna be a mystery to find that.
We decided to get rid of this, sorry to say it, shit. I was maintaining so many times and it's not fun to maintain a toilet. Jabsco one is actually designed for weekend boats, but we are using the toilet 365 days. So we decided now to put a proper one in it, which is actually made for this job. It's a Lavac, and I had it on my first boat and I liked it very much. First, it doesn't get bad so soon, and second, to service it, it's just easy. It's time that this inlet-outlet comes out and it's completely corroded. You want to see why it's necessary to put it out? So much to bronze. The metal ones, whatever metal you use, they start corroding slowly and you have no control when it will break. If it breaks, the boat goes down. I put in a Marvelon from Forspar, which is a reinforced plastic type. It cannot rust, it cannot corrode. So I had to cut out a lot of wood here because this one is a bit bigger.
Yeah, it's a very good moment, you know. So first coat of primer up. So we're gonna do 2 coats today and then 2 coats the next day.